Do you want to lose weight but don't know what foods to avoid? This is a question many of us grapple with. The key to successful weight loss isn't just about exercising more, but also about what you put on your plate. It's crucial to be aware that some foods, while they may appear healthy, can actually be a roadblock in your weight loss journey. So, let's clear the confusion and tackle this head on. Let's dive into the list of 10 foods you should avoid if you want to shed those extra pounds. Starting off our list is everyone's favorite, sugary drinks. These sweet sips, while tempting, are packed with empty calories that contribute to weight gain. Without any significant nutritional value, they don't satisfy hunger, leading to increased calorie intake throughout the day. Next up, we have white bread. This common staple is made from highly refined flour, which is low in fiber and can spike your blood sugar levels. This rapid rise and fall can leave you feeling hungry again soon after eating, increasing the likelihood of overeating. Lastly, for this segment, we have fruit juices. Don't be fooled by the fruit label. Many commercially sold fruit juices contain as much sugar as sodas, if not more. They lack the fiber found in whole fruits, which can help you feel full, thereby promoting overeating. While these foods might taste good, they can wreak havoc on your weight loss goals. Moving on, we have another common culprit, ice cream. It's a beloved treat for many, but sadly, it's packed with sugar and calories. While occasional indulgence won't hurt, regular consumption can lead to weight gain. Next up, we have potato chips. These crispy, salty snacks are a staple in many households, but they're notorious for their high calorie content. Not only are they deep fried, but they often contain unhealthy additives and preservatives. When you eat them, you're not just eating potatoes. You're consuming a whole lot of unnecessary calories. Last on our list for this segment is pizza. Commercially made pizza in particular is loaded with unhealthy ingredients like refined flour and processed meats. These contribute to its high calorie count and low nutrient value. In summary, ice cream, potato chips, and pizza are all high in calories and low in nutrients, making them foods to avoid if you want to lose weight. These foods might be hard to resist, but your waistline will thank you for it. Next up on our list is something you might not expect: low-fat foods. Yes, you heard it right. Low-fat foods, often marketed as healthy options, can be quite the contrary when it comes to weight loss. The problem lies in the fact that when fat is removed, sugar and refined carbohydrates often take its place to maintain flavor. This can lead to increased cravings and overeating. Speaking of sugar, we have cookies and cakes. These sweet treats are not only high in sugar but also in refined flour and unhealthy fats. They can easily sabotage your weight loss goals. Next, we have French fries and potato chips. Despite being made from potatoes, these foods are fried, making them high in calories and unhealthy fats. Regular consumption can lead to weight gain. Lastly, beware of sugary cereals. They may seem like a quick and easy breakfast option, but are often loaded with sugar and lack fiber. Avoiding these foods can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. To summarize, the 10 foods to avoid for weight loss are sugary drinks, white bread, fruit juices, ice cream, potato chips, pizza, low-fat foods, cookies and cakes, French fries, and sugary cereals. Each of these foods can derail your weight loss journey, adding unnecessary calories and minimal nutritional value. Opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. Remember, every food choice you make is a step towards your weight loss goal. Choose wisely.